Mother, there is a child doing swimming near the seaside, swimming there. It is slightly raining, and this side people are seeing the sea waves, and here is the flower, integral protection. Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Arvindaya. Om Tassat Jyotiraravinda. Om Satyam Jnanam Jyotiraravinda. Sri Aravinda Saranam Mama. Om Namo Matre Jaganmatre Bhagavate Namo Namah. Mahashakti Mahavyakti Maharmurti Namo Namah. Om Sri Matre Namah. Today, 13th January 2026, Monday.